How to find malware on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe around to check any unusual applications inside your iPhone. If you see any app that looks unfamiliar, long press the app icon to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, tap on Remove App. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Delete App to proceed. Another pop-up will ask you to confirm again and tap on Delete one more time. The app will now be permanently removed from your iPhone. Alternatively, go ahead and open up the Files application. Navigate to the location of the file that seems suspicious to you. In this case, go to On My iPhone and then the Download folder. Long press on the file. From the menu that appears, scroll and tap on the Delete option. The file will be immediately removed from the folder and moved to Recently Deleted. Following these steps, you can easily find malware on an iPhone.